blast the whole way through here.
I know. Oh.
My arm is my hand. I get blasted on the city. It looks like I'm not that bad.
No, you're good.
That thing's so little, you don't have to brake to turn. You just fucking turn.
I don't brake that much.
Good work. Good work. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, fucking hole. Only in the forearm.
It's not taking the jump stuff. There you go, he is.
Yeah.
He's gonna hire these fuckers. They might come at me.
Yeah, I know, right?
That guy can't even get it. He can't even get it a quarter of the way open.
Yeah, right.
He's fucking suicide machine. This one's mine.
Way over.
Go, Bob! Nice! Whoa!
Yeah.
He's kicking ass.
I know, right?
Ah, you jumped it. See my air on that one?
Yeah.
How high did I go?
About a foot and a half.
See?
Yeah.
I thought it was up
Can't
there.
get up to a speed. It feels like it.
That little whoop is fucked up. Whoa, nice! No, don't park there. Go up, go up. Chris will fucking hit that. Yeah.
Like the car rally. You gotta go around that shit. Spectator.
Fingers.
Pretty hard, man.
Oh, let's see. Fucking Yingling. I drink all these fuckers. Oops. Here,
intimidating, that fucking place. Around this track, yeah, it calms down out on the straight road. I mean, it ain't that bad. Like, you know, around here, it's like, the problem is around here, when you raise his arm, it hurts so much because it's doing a whole lot. Not only that, if you fuck up over one bump, the track is throttle, like, all right, man, like,
nice snot nose. Good try. Right. Is that your towel? Whose towel is this?
And the umbrella holding for you. We gotta get that tree. Bring a fucking chainsaw and I'll get that fucking stuff.
Which one here? Oh, I don't know.
And then you guys fly off the map.
Good fucking